conducted. Attention! Your position.
Lord, we thank thee for the distant food and loving care.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to welcome you all for the special assembly on Indian Constitution Day with a meaningful thought. The Constitution is not a mere layers document. It is a vehicle of life. Its spirit is always spirit of age. Now I would like to call Mrudula for importance of the day. Constitution Day, also known as National Law Day, is observed annually on 26 November to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. The Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution of India on 26 November 1949 and came into force on 26 January 1950, which is celebrated in country as Republic Day. Thank you. Have a special Saturday. Thank you, Mrudula, for sharing such a wonderful information. Let us aware of our fundamental rights. For that, here comes Ujjwal. Good morning, everyone. The 6 fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, cultural and educational rights, right to freedom of religion, right to constitution, remedies. Thank you. Have a supreme Saturday. Thank you, Ujjwal. Let us move to know about our fundamental duties by Harsha.
Good morning, everyone. Fundamental duties for Indian citizens: to abide by the Constitution and respect the ideal and institution. 2. To respect the national flag and the national anthem. 3. To realize and follow the essential ideals of secularism, democracy, and non-violence. 4. To preserve the culture and heritage. 5. To protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of the nation. 6. To safeguard the public property. 7. To defend the country even at the cost of our life. 8. To protect natural resource. 9. To avoid dowry, gambling and other social evils. 10. To strive towards the excellence in the respective spheres of activity of individuals. Thank you and have a successful Saturday.
Thank you, Harsha. Now it is time to know about to check our mental ability. What we know about our constitution. For that, here comes Chandana.
Everyone, today's quiz question. First question: when was the Constitution of India came into effect? Answer is 26th January 1950. Second question: who is empowered to declare national emergency? Answer is President of India. Third question: who is the father of Indian Constitution? Answer: the answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Fourth question: how many articles are there in Indian Constitution? Answer is 448 articles. Fifth question: which is the world's longest written constitution? Answer: the answer is the Constitution of India. Sixth question: which is the world's shortest written constitution? The Constitution of Monaco. Seventh question: when was the Indian Constitution adopted? Seventh question: when was the Indian Constitution adopted? 26th November 1949. Eighth question: children up to dash years of age should get free and compulsory education. There is 14. How many fundamental? Ninth question: how many fundamental rights are recognized by the Indian Constitution? Correct answer. The answer is 6 fundamental rights. 10th question: how many fundamental duties are there? The answer is 10 fundamental duties. Thank you. Have a superb Saturday.
Thank you, Chandana, for making us to know more about our constitution. Thank you, one and all.